Hello, my name is Bogdan Hlavetsky. I'm developing multiple ways how to quickly transport seriously injured and traumatized people in off-road condition. Let's consider a situation. There is an off-road pass on which the car moves with an injured person aboard. Under such circumstances, the car moves slowly, which threatens the patient not to receive proper aid at a time. If the car driver decides to increase the speed of a car, the patient will receive several pushes because of bumps, which will affect badly on health. One of the ways to solve this problem is my own developed platform, which is quite massive and equipped with Frams dampers. As you are able to see, it's connected to a car with soft suspension. And now all the external pushes will be absorbed by the soft suspension, and all the attempts to destabilize the platform and even bring it into the resonance stage will be absorbed by the internal viscosity of Frams dampers. At this stage of the project, I made full-sized prototype and started its testing. I also made series of field experiments with it. And finally, we came to the main test. As you can see from the video, a way that I've developed for using the platform on a soft suspension with Frams dampers as carriers and absorbers of own oscillations will allow to transport seriously injured and traumatized people at high speed in off-road conditions, but without any threat of their further injury.